Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. I just wanted to show you some awesome inventory we got in that was like an absolute steal, especially considering part of the order was RAM. So, first off, I almost just fell. First off, we've got this. Give me one sec here. I'll just show you one stick at a time. So, anyways, we got the T-Force Delta 8 GB DDR4 3200 megahertz, and we got 4 of these. So we got 4 of these, and then we also got this right here. This wasn't all for the price of 180, but most of it was for about $180. So let me pause this for a sec. So you can't see it that well, but this is a RTX 2060 Super 8 GB edition by Zotac, and it's pretty awesome. It has the original box and everything, and I picked this up for $140. Now I gotta show you guys what's underneath it. We got a MSI B550 Pro motherboard. I'm not sure exactly the model of this motherboard, but it's in very good condition. And it also came with a Ryzen 5 3600X. And then also, that was included with the RAM, 32 gigabytes of RAM for $180. Oops, excuse me. I got the CPU, Ryzen 5 3600X, the motherboard, B550 MSI, and the RAM for $180, which I thought was an absolute steal, considering RAM is so expensive. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and continue to follow my journey. Thank you and peace out.